Howdy folks! Today we're going to be showing you how to get rid of the spreadsheet with Puppet Enterprise. I'm sure that you've been in environments, perhaps you're working in one right now, where you keep track of all of your inventory inside of a spreadsheet. Well, anybody who's done this sort of thing knows that that quickly becomes out of date. Perhaps you make a change that isn't recorded in the spreadsheet itself. So today we're going to show you how Puppet Enterprise can solve this problem for you. Here we're looking at the Puppet Enterprise console. You can see I have a list of nodes available to me. About every 30 minutes, these nodes check in and report their current status. So we can drill into any one of these nodes here, and we can see all of the inventory available. So we have here a list of facts. Each one of these facts describes the current state of the node. We can see here things like IP addresses and the kernel it's running, even the version of the kernel. For example, if you were to take quarterly reboots, which is a popular maintenance routine, take maintenance when you choose as opposed to when you don't choose. So we can come down here, we can find uptime, and we can say, well, the system's been up for more than 5 hours, which in this case is relatively small. But for example, if it were to be extended to a month, we can find the nodes that may need a reboot for this particular time. The other things that are unique and available to this is we have a search capability. So we can say we want things that are running CentOS in the environment. So here's all of our CentOS nodes. Let's say we wanted to find out which nodes are Debian, and there's our Debian node. And again, so now we can click down into the node, we can show the inventory, and if we scroll up here, we can see the last run status, recent reports of what this node has been doing. So this is really useful because it gets you away from the spreadsheet that you have to update manually and moves you into a world where you have a constantly updating inventory available at your fingertips for query. For any command line junkies, don't worry, we also have you covered here. We can do the mcollective commands. Here I'm logged in as the PE admin user on my Puppet Master, and I run an MCO ping specifying the fact of operating system Debian, and now I should see one node return, which is the same thing that we saw one screen ago in the console. There you have it, getting rid of the spreadsheet and adopting Puppet Enterprise to solve the issue of single source of truth in your environment.